I'm on a million. I just put it on me. It will activate, it regulates. She bought a bar. Hey, that's me, baby.
Don't let party, no. If you like corner.
I go beat you today. Corner.
Una good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. We'll be the 19th. I'll be the 20th.
Nedu.
What's it today date?
Nedu. You know what you could just do?
Oh, no.
Just the start the show.
No.
Look at the one you did.
Now warriors there.
Okay, una.
They don't give us now, so you could tell us say today na March 27th, whereas na election and people know will go vote.
Anyway, una welcome on top of the night show for today. No date for today. Today na relationship Friday when we say Pastor Iheanyi go there for inside studio to take for discuss things we concern relationship matter. Katim don't say that everybody don't dey. Now don't see easy beats. Now don't wear suit with the muscle. Everything na muscle suit, muscle body, muscle everything. Last weekend.
Why you dey hear us?
I'm not me jealous at the craze.
So why you don't talk about the muscle?
No, na Pastor Iheanyi call am muscle.
Muscle from
Na
this
Pastor Iheanyi call am
am
muscle. No be muscle.
No, they sham.
I know Siam. Make una live easy.
You don't start?
No, but you're my good friend. I appreciate.
Yes.
All the female fans.
I appreciate all your efforts in this.
No, but all easy be the female fans go begin fight una. You could say una do this, this easy.
We're not fighting.
We're not fight. We're not they fight them now.
We they follow them.
We they follow them. Appreciate them.
Yeah.
Say he get muscle because all those guys. Oh my God! Have you seen his muscle?
You see with Poet Square.
You know, he dey blush.
Oh.
Anyway, last week Friday we discussed matter we concern mothers and wives and mother-in-law. We've been discussing small part of wives and mother-in-law, but we'll enter the matter sharp. We're not going to waste time at all.
Because time not a quick day for
because before you know thing happen, time don't finish, and we want make una call us where make we know things when you say you get for mind to take for talk on top of the matter. We go back small chicken break, may easy be place more for us. When we come back, Pastor Iheanyi don't sit down already. It go continue from where we stopped last week Friday on top wives and mother-in-law.
Unmask it. I say, wow, this is the finished product. Oh, wow.
Anyway, now welcome back on top of the night show for today. Katim be they give exact they tell Pastor Iheanyi how they make her hair. Say they go tie as the hair they go put gel.
No, they go put gel first, then go put sponge.
Sponge then they wash plate.
What they they bathed.
Not be the time to sponge, not be sponge.
No, be that sponge. They do. I don't know how many people you don't wash since.
And listen
to me, no. That sponge, the particular color na sea green color. They can't use them as hair tie. Then they can't use toothpick. Can't take out the hair small by small.
How many hours this thing go take?
You know, be hours, Neru. Are they a professional something? And then I for the spirit. I did something through the holes. Then the man sang them more. I feel unfail. But wow. That's my finished product. Happy roll before and after. So after I don't.
I bet more than no vex. Not there for work.
Some people hear us.
More than no vex. Not there for work. Anyway, we'll hand over to Pastor Iheanyi. Pastor Iheanyi, formally welcome to the next show for today. We'll hand over to her, make it continue from when we start. You don't tire you, Pastor Iheanyi. We dey go Pastor Iheanyi in church on Sunday. Me and Katim, we are going to minister. Okay, the song we go sing on Sunday is a worship song. Katim go rap, me I go sing. So make I start am small now. Make those of una wey dey there, una go get small idea of wetin we wan sing for Pastor Iheanyi in church on Sunday. Abotolo gidio, Jehovah abotolo gidio, abotolo. You go rap now, not be so we take the hazard.
No, but I could enter the song face.
Now when I get in a song ready, now we just
no, we don't get up. You see now, see you don't make Pastor no can't allow us sing for church now Sunday. We do one for last, we do one last time. Abotalo gidio, Jehovah abotalo gidio, abotalo.
o taludikyo ndiuse konke sanga kenkaurao anyambo miende nekauke amimbo etenkangaro nkangaro rimo nkangaro ritie
Jesus
yaikaro rimo oh yaikaro merusi
we hope you have been blessed with that
security.
ministration.
We
Thank
praise
you.
the Lord.
Na security.
Thank you.
Over to I said like security go come for us.
Okay. I never tired for Nedu and Katim yet.
Oh,
Pastor,
you are so sweet.
The Bible doesn't make us suffer long. So we go suffer long.
So now long suffering.
Long suffering. Okay, so good evening, and what did we talk last week before? Yeah, wives and mother-in-laws.
Something remain with us. Where people say when listen, when watch the show, come they talk say Nedu and Katim. So mother-in-laws they always win. That thing stay with plenty people from last week.
Okay,
you know, they don't ask us
make we start with that one. Make you no fear if you be married woman. No fear. Say we talk say mother-in-law don't win.
Or
the
they
man
always win.
Yes, the man no go throw away mama. That is the point. The man no they divorce him mama. We never see where person divorcing
mama or disowning mama.
Now wife where in the divorce. So the wisdom there be say we won't make it end win-win. Make it always end win-lose. So if mother-in-law, anything where we go do to manage mother-in-law, now in wife go do to manage mother. Even if some mother-in-laws know they feel change. For their mind, their pikin, not their own. So now the wife go know how to tell mother-in-law, say, I know follow you struggle your son.
Yes.
Your son, now your son. Now just my husband and the father of my children. But now still, you never change. If you come house, we'll make it sit down for your lap. No problem. If now say you want to carry him, but as long as say you know, say na person papa and na person husband. Anyhow you won't be. My grandmother told me one day, make I call my father. He said, go and call that boy. I confused first. I go upstairs, come back. They said, go call that boy, make him come eat. I said, who be the boy? Now he said, go and call your father. My father don't. My father don't.
Oh, your grandma.
My grandmother. My father don't almost the 70 that time. Don't almost the reach 70. When my grandmother said, go and call that boy. So it will no register. Then later I begin think, say, for her mind, 65, 67-year-old man, now still boy.
Boy, for her eye.
Because now in Peking. So that kind competition, wife, no even understand. Yes, no even understand, say, the wrestling ring. You know even the mother-in-law league.
As in, it could be the dead on arrival.
Yes, you know, you don't even reach the arena. Now, as they come arena, now you don't die. Because the sphere where mother-in-law they operate from, they completely different.
Spiritual.
When the man they talk, and you just look at him, say you. No be you. Hey. I just edit them, man, no spoil something. Okay,
so don't quick they ask questions. Say, Pastor, hey, what about those mother-in-laws? When see they control their son far away Europe? Say need advice.
Is it okay from yes?
Okay, I'm not going to answer that one before we. When some people get power, where we say the way they bring up their kids, you know, say another thing where the wife they contend with. You know, today we go focus on the politics where things are here. Yes. So as this question don't land, so you could even set the tone before we. So sometimes the way the mother don't bring up the pikin, now in the wife they contend with her. So she need to play safe. If she come wear gloves, say she come fight, she go lose. Because you know they past 25, 30 something years where he bring out before he meet you. So you know say program done the run already. Now real programming. You never see children where hate their papa, they never see them before.
Yes.
They never see them before. They never say the man don't kill anybody, but they hate him because of the programming, the way they program them. So you go down program, we say you go woman go come, but now me be number one. So when woman come, as you finish following you play, as you for your mind now something special. As you go, as you drop you for house, they go. You don't tell the mama saying he just drop you. Because now you see program they run. So as he drop, you say good night, kiss, you go. As he enter car, so he say, Mommy, I've dropped her. I'm going home now.
Hi, good boy.
Say you're a good boy. Give him 2 days before you call him again, okay? You don't know say so you don't know say they contend with program where they run. So when even see distance no they change program. No be windows they use for here from yonder. No be they, so if you dey Europe, program still they run. They don't even tell us as you go so make it send phone, get hotline when you go they call. So when travel now do like that, when you finish, break finish, go in drop in lock door, come out, enter car. Who is it say they call? You could just call, send name, say that thing you said is true. This girl has put hand in my eye. And so you need to help me here. I need to hear what you have to say. So what we are saying, say, wife, this thing pass you. We need to teach you the wisdom where you go use. Take manage them. Because mommy's boys no go change. But we go know how to manage them where they go understand their priorities. They go still fit. You self even chance that mommy's boy from your hand. The mama go come like you pass him. Because you don't play the game. Now the game we want to discuss now. So to answer that guy, make I just wait, make I reverse small, then make we start.
Let's go. Politics for inside the matter.
Yeah, so when woman meet man and they don't talk marriage, it take him go see mama. And the mama get hesitation. Now this thing they happen more often than not. Mothers sometimes could just get hesitation. It no mean say they don't disqualify the girl. Not just that initial response, say person don't come fight that space.
That space when it be only she and the pikin first get out.
So now, in time, they go begin sharing time between 12 una. And the way this thing be, as in the near the girl pass am, it be like say in the time when they go share, the girl go get pass am. So you go first do gra. So then enter the parlor, greet him. She enter kitchen, say, come, say, my son, I can talk to you for kitchen.
Okay.
And as he talk and so, if the girl stand up, follow and come, you don't give him another comma. He say, I love you, talk to my son again. No be your husband yet, I never marry. So enter kitchen. He say, who she be, where she from? You talk finish. He say, you like him? You sure? He say, look me in the eye, tell me, say you like him. Okay. How could they pray, Sha? Never talk, never tell him anything, say you go marry him or anything. All those initial.
I don't hear that thing before. Hope you never tell us, no upness, hope you say never promise a marriage.
Don't involve him anything, no. Now, all that initial, this is, now there the battle line they draw. So now the introduction to the politics in relationship and marriage. So when they tell you that one, even if you don't do them, some people could just constantly cast. Say, no, how about no? Say, we just be friends. I just say, make it just see you. Even if you don't tell and say you love and die.
Yes.
Because you want manage and well now. Because you go come there and say you be fool. Say you don't tell him. Tell him waiting.
Why?
I don't see him before you tell him. Say, have I double checked? Say this girl try. You know. At that point, now there the battle line don't draw. So
but this one now with the man, not be with the girl.
Yes. See, we they set the tone now. We they come the girl. We just they set the tone because they get a lot of things where women no say then they contend with when we talk wives and mother-in-law.
Yes.
No be my now thick. What of only sons? That the dynamic different again from we go discuss only son, all boys, no boy. All those scenarios they change the way the program they run. If not only boy, the way the program they run, they different.
No, say women they fear to follow only boy.
Only boy.
Because they say, look, I can't have you totally.
And they also fear to follow first son.
Yes.
Because in the way they program am, you now part of in many other responsibilities. You'll not be only responsibility.
Get other people.
If now last born boy.
People don't even like follow last born boy because everybody could be like.
If na last born boy, they vex say everybody na coach for in life. Because the woman doesn't look up. Say everybody they call you. Say because we say we go marry. Your elder brother don't call. Yeah, that's like, which kind of rubbish is this? You know be man. You know those kind of things. Hey, let's go back.
Which one?
Man, I don't distract this matter. No. Don't distract. This matter don't they hot. So as he do so, you can't tell saying like you na marry. You know, na marry. Mama come that weekend, come see our house, be you look around, you see say fridge never day. You say now one at the old TV where she meets before you marry.
Before you marry.
You just call you. Saying don't finish your money. Say, mommy, not my wife. You don't finish, and I just ask you finish your money. Talk to me. Don't let anybody put hand. See, talk to me. I didn't bring you up this long only for someone to come and be pushing you around. Where your fridge? How you know go get fridge? See, now that girl, you go careful. We go talk later. People still there. We go talk later, okay? You go begin preparing mind. So for in mind, and now that preparation, they always now make it difficult for man to make decisive decision when it comes to his wife or his mama. Because both of them, they show care in their own way. So even when wife say, I could buy bigger screen, people go say, na materialism, people go say, but ultimately, na the house we're 12 na day. So no be too much material. She just feel say, look, make the house just try small. Make the house. The older woman go say, they see you blind. So na big TV. So now why you marry him? That big TV be your problem. So TV no the house like this. See.
Okay, you get the tone very well.
So now big TV be your problem. Come, sit down, my daughter. So it's TV that is doing you. So your problem now, as now married, spend money on TV. He said, Mom, it's not like, how is it? It's TV. Yes, so when mama enter room, he goes just looking husband. He said, no, make my mama talk. He said, and now there the danger they start. When man done won't come out himself for the setup. Control, now like carry sheep, tram inside the midst of wolves. When you carry, because when you marry, now you go tell your wife how the game day inside. If you live and make it discover, if he die, if he born before he discover, sometimes when he discover, he don't to experience bitterness, you no come fit forgive again. So sometimes, most times, now the man walk to help the woman transit properly from when he marry him to now knowing the whole family. So if the elder brother, for instance, if now boy will be last born, and the elder brother, now everybody they defer to, the man job not to, as the wedding done the near, both of them go visit the oldest one first before they even go see mama. Then go see the oldest one first. Follow and talk, involve the girl well. So when they reach mama, as they talk finish come out, as they drive come out, mama go just pick phone. They call
the oldest one.
Where they already arrange. Where they already, because this is the mafia. So as they drive go.
The mathematics is too much.
Yeah, said Nam. He came here. He brought her, one yellow fellow like this. Oh, okay, you know her. Oh, yeah. Okay, now. Okay.
Because you don't play the match well.
She's our girl. It's all right. So okay, it's okay. No, but I just thought she just run me by you. As a run about, okay, it's okay, Nam. Well done. Okay.
God bless you.
Because if they never go see the elder one, when they go see the mother first, when the mother call the elder one, he go talk some kind of thing.
Yes, he go tackle the
and if you
matter.
talk that kind of thing, the elder one now go don't come get some kind
reservation
already
about you and the girl. Because you see this thing, if you don't play this game well before you marry, then the girl will become the devil. Family. Yes. Family, see, no matter how distorted family they, you know if you enter, become savior for family where you know belong.
Not true.
See, family na family. Even if one a criminal, one a serial killer, one a family, na family. When they do rake finish, you go still enter bedroom looking brother. I say, talk to me, you kill him. Just tell me say you kill him. Then we go know how we go do him. You did it. Okay, great, no problem. We go talk to him, not be woman. We go full him talk. You beat her. Talk to me man to man. You hit her. Okay, we go talk. All right, don't worry. We go know how we go handle them now. And the whole, you were to say fight day. Fight no day again. Now you now will be the outsider. Family don't sort themselves out. So even when they rake for them, for your front, now part of the game.
You don't sit down and study. See as you talk
Continue before we go play.
See when they sweet you. See how your eye don't shine.
No, not be only me. Now people wait there. Now for people wait there, talk small before we go on break.
Okay, so once for the man and the wife, the first way the man supposed to do now to understand the dynamics within his own family. So if even a family where they know they talk, where they see only Christmas time, the man walk now to turn the girl to be the one where go they join family. So if they know they two talk, just involve the girl. Say, honey, now you go to arrange meetings. So you could just call my elder brother, say would they come. Not to say I know about her. Say would they start they drag your brother come. Say let's say you know they two like I go drag and come. So after a while, the girl could just become part of the setting. Now she they part. So when they want to do something for you,
they go
now
just,
she then go call before they even call you. When they want to do birthday for you, now she then go call. And once you begin involved in that, once you marry, your siblings don't already on her side. So even if mama no to try, now your siblings go tackle mama. So
anyway,
permutation, permutation and mathematics.
Make a bass more chicken break. This is very, very interesting show. Easy bit,
Quiet.
We come back.